Today we're making these soft, thick and chewy peanut butter cookies with an added depth of flavor from cream cheese. You won't believe how easy it is to make these, and they're a perfect pick-me-up when the afternoon slump hits. We'll first begin by mixing our dry ingredients together. So here I have some all-purpose flour or plain flour, and into that I've added some baking soda and some salt. Now I've added baking soda here so it can neutralize the slight acidity from the brown sugar that we're using in this recipe. Now keep the dry ingredients aside, and in another bowl you'll start creaming your softened salted butter, some castor sugar and some light brown sugar. You'll cream it for about 2 minutes on a medium high speed of your electric mixer. You can also use a stand mixer. After about 2 minutes, you'll scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl to get everything in the center so that it combines really well. Then we're going to add some room temperature cream cheese and some vanilla extract. I love adding cream cheese to these peanut butter cookies because it helps add more tenderness to the cookies and gives it that melt in your mouth texture. Give it a good mix on a medium speed for about a minute, then scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl once more to get everything in the center and it's well combined. Now we'll add our smooth peanut butter. You can also add crunchy peanut butter if you wish. I have used salted butter in this recipe as well, but you can use unsalted butter. We have added some salt in this recipe as well, so it just pairs really well with the peanut butter. Now once you've mixed it thoroughly for about a minute, you will then add an egg and mix it together on a medium speed for about a minute more until it looks well combined like this. You will now add in the dry ingredients that you combined earlier, and you'll use your spatula just to fold this gently. You do not want to go in with your electric beaters at this point because the dry ingredients will just fly all over the place and you don't want that. So just combine or fold this very gently, and then using your electric beaters on the lowest speed setting, only mix this for about 7 to 10 seconds until it just starts to come together. Now I am going to use a 5 centimeter cookie scoop, which gives you roughly 40 grams of cookie dough. I am going to scoop it out in a leveled scoop, and then I'll roll it between the palms of my clean hands, and then I'll place it on my baking tray that's lined with parchment paper, and I'll keep some distance between them because they will spread just the tiniest bit. And now we'll use the back of our fork to give it that classic cross design like this. And now this will go in the refrigerator first for about half an hour at least. And when you're ready to bake these cookies, you can start preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you'll bake these at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes, and you'll turn the tray halfway through so that the cookies bake evenly. Once they're out of the oven, you will let them sit in their tray for about 5 minutes and then transfer to a wire rack to cool down completely. Now, there's one very important thing you need to do, because if you don't, you're really going to regret it, and that is you need to dunk these peanut butter cookies in some milk. I'm so sure you're going to love these peanut butter cookies, just like these tender, buttery Danish butter cookies, which have a very unique twist. The video is on the screen. You should definitely watch it next. Enjoy!